I got him!
Dude, you got a fucking bird! Dude, you got a fucking bird! Dude! Dude! No way, dude! Yo, dude!
I got him!
Dude!
Come on, you little fuck. He's done, dude!
Dude!
He's done!
Bro, you gotta tighten it, bro! Bro, you got it, bro! Oh my god, no way, dude! Dude, no way, dude! Dude, you fucking, oh my god, dude! Dude! Did you tighten the fuck out of it, dude?
Right?
He's fighting it, G. Tighten it more, G.
To the right?
Yeah, I think so. I don't know, whichever way, dude.
Dude, it's max.
Dude, oh my
he
god,
still
dude.
got it. I'm telling you.
Dude, oh my god, dude. Oh my god, you fucking got, oh baby. Dude, you cut the fuck out of him. Bro, you got He's maxed out? He's maxed out? There's no way, bro. There's no way.
Dude, he's mine.
Dude, no way, dude.
You see him flipping?
Dude, no way. Did you tighten the fuck out of him? Keep tightening it, Joe. Tighten it more, G. That's a motherfucking 50-pound weight.
Did you see him flipping?
That's a 50-pound fucking line, G.
Did you see him flipping?
Dude, yeah, you do. That's a fucking 50-pound weight.
Oh, yeah!
He's coming down.
He's down!
He's down.
He's down!
He's tired. He's down. Do we come get him?
Daddy needs dinner, motherfucker!
Did we come get him or what? Bro, no way. I'm stopping the boat. I'm stopping the boat. Tighten it. Can you tighten it or what's good?
I think it's max. That's why it's not fucking.
Is it hard to pull, bro? Imagine a salmon. That's a little ass bird. Imagine a fucking salmon, Joe. That's a little ass bird. Did you see how much bigger the fucking fish is?